channel. Today we are going to do the survival series of me and Karthik's Minecraft part 2. So, it's good only. It's okay. So let's go and mine. Let's go for mining now. I found so much iron actually.
But it's night time, we have to wait.
It's
There's
so
a
warm. Huh? There's a creeper? I have some torches, okay? Die creeper. Die creeper. Creeper died. Let's get so much there's an opening to another thing here. Come
break
on.
it with a pickaxe.
Yeah, you only break then. Why are you asking me? I'll be the guy
It's
who
a dead
breaks
end, we
this.
have to skip mine.
Hey, no, there's one more here. There's one more, okay? This coal also here first. There's one more one. Let's go there later. But mine the coal. I will mine the coal, okay? Please. I need the coal. Oh, so much coal. Guy, did you find iron or diamonds?
How can you find diamonds in this level?
Are just tell me if you found any iron. I need
I'm
that.
thirsty.
I'll go up, you go down, okay? Oh, this
Where
a
is
dead
it?
end. This a dead end. Okay, let's go your way.
I have 14 iron.
I have I have four.
Can I get this core, please?
Okay. First should we? Hey, there's one more here. Okay, wait. Let's kill this guy. Kill this guy.
Got it.
Let's go now. Come.
You have torches.
I have. Oh, it's a deep cave. Arey, see Karthik, what is this? Arey, Karthik, come. There's so much big place here. We can find diamond level also here. Hey, some iron. Please let me mine because I don't have go. I don't have. Okay, so I'll take this all this iron.
Oh my goodness.
What did you find?
Lava pool.
Oh, that is waste. Hey, iron. Why are you missing all the iron?
Where is
And
iron?
see, I mined all of it. Hey, do you have a bucket? Can you spare a bucket? Oh, there's iron.
Lapis. There's lapis here.
Hey, mine the lapis. I'll mine this. There's so much iron here. Thank God now. I don't feel left out. Lapis? Can you give me some lapis?
I didn't even mine it yet.
Why didn't you mine it? There's redstone here. Guys, we may be the luckiest people on Minecraft. We found this much loot. Okay, let
Arnav, do you
me.
have stone? Do you have stone?
I have stone. Uh, you can mine it. I'll mine it. Please give me the. Okay, wait. Let me
Wait for
have
me.
the.
I also need lapis.
I have one stack.
Of what?
So, one stack of cobblestone. Let me mine the
Okay.
redstone. Let me mine the redstone.
Okay, then give me cobblestone.
Okay, fine. Wait,
Give me
let me
some.
mine this first then. More. Did I? Okay. Are I did not pick it up. How will I pick it up?
You have to mine it with an iron pickaxe.
Give me the iron pickaxe.
You
Give.
make one yourself.
Array, I don't have time to smelt. I'll give you cobblestone for just 5 seconds of your iron pickaxe. Please. Okay.
Give me cobblestone first. First, give me.
Wait. Just let me use it, okay? Just
Wait,
please.
Arnav. If you mine, they'll fall in lava. Wait, first cover that.
First, you have to cover that, okay? It's not letting me.
Give me. I'll cover it. Give me. I'll cover it for you.
I did it already. Please don't. Please don't. Please. Okay, I need this. Arey, go. Don't. Please, Karthik, please. Let me mine this. Yay. Okay, now take this pickaxe and I'll give you some stone. Okay. Uh, uh, I'm going to give you how much you want? 30.
Okay, give.
Okay. I'll give you 28.
Thank you.
Mine it. Lapis was right on top of us. Hey, why is there these blocks here? Hey, wait, Karthik, wait. Karthik, wait. This go deeper. This go deeper. This goes deeper. Come here. Come here.
What is the area where I mine the iron?
Oh, oh, Karthik. See our level where we are. We are at diamond level. Oh, 30. We are at 13. That means we are at diamond level.
We are on 9. Once you come here, it's 9.
Yeah, like you. Let's go to 6 and take the diamonds. Okay, maybe we can find a stronghold also. Hey, more iron is here. Please let me take. Okay,
Give me.
give please. No, you have more than me. Wow, guys, I'm finding this much iron. I can make so much iron. Hey, guys,
It's there.
I am going to smelt some of these. Oh, array, this is so high. Hey, what is this? I'm lost. Karthik, I'm lost.
Follow the torches. Don't
Yeah.
come to base yet. I'm smelting my iron.
I am also smelting. I'll also smelt. Hey, what is this? I'm not able to come. Guys, we have digged this much down. We did not dig, but we found this much deep cave. As there are two sides. Where should I go?
Just come any side. Just you will find.
Guys, this place is so bad. What are your coordinates? Tell me then. Oh, I found it. I found our base. I found a base. I found a base. Found a base. I found a base.
How much
Arey,
coal do you have?
I have 23.
Give me some coal. Now I have only
Arey,
2.
use wood.
Just give me some coal. Hey,
Why?
smell
Use wood.
somewhere.
What?
Smell it right for me.
Okay, I'm just trying to take some. Arey, use this
Give
wood.
me some coal.
Don't take that wool. This is too precious. Do
Please
not
give
take
me
the
little coal.
iron in this. Go mine it. There's so much down. There's so much down. Okay, guys, I'll come after smelting my iron. Okay, okay. So guys, I have did some things off camera. I have got some iron tools and I have Karthik's lost. So I have made oak signs and
There's one there.
okay. I have made oak signs and did these left side dead end. Okay, stop this, Karthik. Stop. Okay, I have done these and I am doing these. Okay. So the left side here is like a lava pool, right? So I am going. Oh, how? Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna do left is lava pool. Right is cave. Right side is cave, and I'm gonna write done. And I'm gonna go here. Uh, okay, this is dead end. This is not cave. This is dead end. I have to edit it back. How to edit it again? You can't. You have to break it. You have to break it. Okay. So I'll
What?
go. You have to break it to. Okay, wait. No need. No need. Left side is cave. Right side is what is on the right side? What is on the right side? Okay, right side is dead and okay. Wait, have to end. I can't. What should I do now? Side is dead and okay, done. We go down here. Wait, right side dead end. Okay, okay, okay. I have done correctly. So this is down. We go down of here. Okay, so up. Okay, up. Base. Karthik, tell me where are you?
I'm in our base.
Oh, you're in our base. Okay, you found our base, right? You know, guys, Karthik was like falling behind so much that I have caught up so much. I have caught up so much that I have like found diamond level. Like in this time, speedrunners can find diamond level also. You know. Okay, enough trash talking. You know, guys, why I'm not using my thing because my pickaxe because I don't want to waste it. Okay, so let's get right into the game. Yay! Please like and subscribe, guys. We really will make better content if you like and subscribe. What is this side? I did not. Okay, this side is our base. So and this side I named it. This side I named it. Okay, so this place is named. So now I'm going back to the base. This place is right. This place is good, right, Karthik?
Yeah.
Yeah, we find a lot of OP loot here. Okay, okay, okay. I'm gonna write mine also here.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
These
I'm
are
gonna
all
write.
my stuff, so you can't touch these stuff.
You mean our stuff?
This is my stuff. That is your stuff.
Arey,
This is
please
my.
let me have some food. Okay, smoker. Okay, this is my stuff. Then why are you taking from my stuff?
I didn't take anything from your stuff.
Okay,
I
fine.
was just like,
I have a
this is
smoker.
yours.
Don't come to
This
my
is mine.
side. Please don't come to my side. Just don't. Should I make a strip mine? Gonna make this place. We are not in good level, so I'm gonna go more. Karthik, where are you?
Yeah, ma.
Okay, come down. Let's go for mining. Oh, I thought this was iron. Wait, 64 and then these 21. Oh, I really found iron. I thought it was just a joke, but I found iron. I was just making a joke, but I found lots of iron. Okay, did I pick it up? Yes, I did. And I'm gonna just fill this place like this.
Where are
My
you?
my inventory is quite full. I have to go. Why I made a new mine
Like, where is your new
here?
mind from?
I did not make it here. I made it here. Karthik, go to your own mine, Ray. I made
I'm
it
just
here and
seeing your mind.
I made it here and found so much iron. Okay,
Okay.
now go. So I'll name this place later actually. Yeah, uh so I'll name this place later. I was saying so I'll meet you guys when I find iron, okay? Okay? So guys, I found iron. Uh let me show you. Okay, I think you already know. So here and this is legit guys. Karthik, I can this I found iron legit and asked Karthik that I cheat also. Did I cheat, Karthik?
Yes, you did.
What? No way, I did not. So I did not cheat, and Karthik requests to go to game mode and give every OP stuff and TP me
I
back to
did
the
not.
place.
I did not. I did not. I did not.
Okay, you are like one guy before recording and one guy after recording.
What way you always like to blame me?
That's because you do stuff. Okay, now where are you? Do not take my stuff. Anyways, I don't have such OP loot in the chest. You can take that, but next time don't take. Hey, this place is good only. Let me check my coordinates. I'll start strip mining at a level. Okay, I'm at 20, so I can strip mine. This is iron level. Basically it's iron level, so I'm gonna start strip mining. So if you don't know what is strip mining, it's like mining in the straight line. Oh, if I go this side, I'll find our mine. I'm going this side. And my pickaxe is about to break. If it's about to break, I'll go for iron. I'll go take all the iron. Why do I find dirt at this low place? This much low place I find dirt. Okay. Fast. What are you doing, Karthik? What are you doing?
Getting food for myself.
For yourself, we are a team. Didn't you forget that we are a team?
You never give me whatever you find.
Okay, I'll give you some iron, but please, I need food also. Actually, I have enough, but I need for future. Or I will just mine by myself. I don't want to waste this precious iron. So what is this? So I'll be right back when I find some iron. So peace out. Okay, I was on mute actually. So guys, I found this whole thing was iron that I found, and I found this whole big ravine in. So I am going to explore it. There's lava. Hey Karthik, come re. I found a good place. If you find diamonds, I am only the one mining it. Okay?
No,
Why?
because
Hey
you take it and you never
Karthik,
give me.
is that diamonds? Okay, no. Hey, there's a zombie here. There's a lot of zombies here. Karthik, please come and save. Okay, Karthik. I don't need you, but just coming. Okay, I am going to mine and you fight these guys. Then I'll give you my share of the diamonds. Okay?
No, thank you. I can mind them all.
Hey, please, Ray.
You never share and it's always your way.
Okay, wait. I'm going to make the everything. Oh, wait. Okay, now I'm gonna mine this. I'm gonna
Okay,
take.
wait. I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you. Wait.
Do you have? Are Karthik, where is this water? I want to mine some. I'm going to pick up some water. It's not coming. Are Karthik, this water is blocking everything. Can I give me a water bucket or something, please?
I
I'm
have a bucket.
not able to pick up this water. Okay, I
Arman, where is
guess.
that mining area?
Yeah.
Where did it come from? Okay,
Are that opening, Ray? From that opening. Hey, not able to place blocks also. So unlucky. Can you mine this? Can you mine this obsidian? Hey, gold! I found gold.
give me.
I wait first. I need to. Uh, come.
Yes. Yes, in the correct time.
I'll give you that. Okay. And now you first. Are how? No, no, no! I'm dying, Karthik. I died. Array, Karthika, I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm lost, Karthik. And my stuff also. Did you get my stuff?
You swimed in the lava. How will I get your stuff?
No, my all my loot went. I have to go for mining again, but I'm not scared actually. Okay, tell me your coordinates.
Wait, I am coming. I'm coming to the surface. I can get you.
Oh no. What, guys? I tried to swim in this lava because of Karthik. How did you make that jump also?
Where is he? You're
Tell
just a
me.
noob.
Tell me. Just tell me the coordinates.
I am coming for you. You'll see a lightning. You'll see a lightning rod when you come to the lake type thing. There will be a big river type, na. Go to the
Yeah,
river.
I went. Karthik, you have to give me half of your tools. I found that place and I found so much iron and I lost
I
everything.
am here.
Where?
Yeah.
Don't hit me. Don't hit me. But okay, where are you?
Yes.
Oh yes. Okay, let's go back to the base. Did at least some things drop?
I don't know. I didn't see. I didn't know where even you died.
Please don't despawn them. I mind them so hardly. Okay, give me. Come,
But
give. Are come re give.
what?
Are let's go to the base first, and we'll end the
Okay,
video.
come.
Okay, this is the base. Okay, okay.
Yee.
I'm
My
going.
axe broke.
Are how, guys? Now I did at least some things come re. Please tell me they
I
did.
don't know. How will I know? I am not the guy who died.
Okay, can you keep a? Can you make a bed? It's so hard to live here. Okay.
Make a
I
bed.
found
Bed.
this much iron and I lost everything. No, no, this title is going to be my determined end. Okay, can you give me some stone tools at least, Karthik?
Okay, wait.
Yeah, where is that ravine I found? Here are the stuff. Okay, I found the ravine. Okay. Oh, this bat is disturbing me. Okay, so nothing came. Nothing spawned back. How did you make that jump also, you know? This is the first time I'm not angry. Can you give me at least some stone tools, Karthik?
That's what I'm making.
Don't have anything on me right now. Okay, something is killing me. Okay, I'll die instead now. Kill me! Oh, it was a skeleton. I did not see the skeleton also. Okay, I'm coming back. You don't need to come because I found the iron rod. We need to.
It's a lightning rod.
We really need to make something. Okay, I think we need to end the video right here. Should we? Should we end the
No.
video? It's becoming too long for our fans. I would also stop watching my. Arey, what is this? Give me some stone tools. Give me
Give me
stone
cover
tools
that.
now. Give me stone tools now. Can you give me some iron?
It's that, and that. No,
Thank
you
you.
can't take my hard work.
Give me the iron.
It's my island.
Fine,
Did
give
you
me some
give
give me
monkey
some
some
wood.
food?
Give me some food. Give me some food. Give me
Okay,
some
I'll give you.
sticks also.
Okay, wait.
This is
You
that
don't
hard.
dare to take my island.
Give me some sticks. I'll make some iron stuff. I found some iron at my place.
Okay, take.
Give. Are throw it here. Okay, thanks. I'll just make basic stuff after what I lost. Okay. Thankfully, I did not lose this much. So much I did not lose actually. So thankfully, and I'm making a sword. This sword is here, and then I'm making a shovel. Oh, guys, it's not that much of a loss actually. Not that much, but A little it is actually. Until this pickaxe breaks, I'm gonna mine this. Use this all. Use all of this. Hey, where is our mine? Okay, here. Karthik, do you have some iron to spare? Okay, if no, come and save me from that creeper. Hey, why did you keep this in the middle? Any iron you find, I take because I need.
Can you give me my crafting table back?
Okay, take this. Okay, do not hit me. Do not hit me. I feel like one shot. Don't come. Okay, come. I want to go back to that place and kill that skeleton who killed me. Okay, this place is confusing. Come here. I remember now. Come here. This is place with the ravine. Okay, now make another block for I can jump. I'll be the one killing that creeper. What? Okay, skeleton, skelly. Oh my god, there are so many. Karthik, you left me with so many.
Aryan,
Karthik!
come back. Aryan, come back, come back, come back,
Karthik, you
come back.
left me with so many people. Why did you kill? Okay, I died. Karthik, why did you? I need all of my stuff back now. I need all of my stuff back.
Okay, come back.
Why did you block that place? I hate you, Karthik.
What place did I block?
You blocked the way to jump back.
No, I did not.
Okay, give me all the stuff back. Then do not go
I
back.
didn't.
Do not go there. Do not go back there. Okay. Give me the stuff back. Okay. I'm taking my stuff back, and you have to protect me. Okay. Go. Come on.
Where
Okay. Do
are
not.
you?
I'm coming down, and do not take my stuff. Okay. Now come.
1 minute, wait. I'm making shields for us so we won't die.
Okay. Give me some shields. I'm so frustrated now. So guys, we'll do some offline stuff, and I'll end the video right here. So please like, share and subscribe. Okay, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.